Hello, my name is Azadeh and I'd like to talk about types of drama by Bolton. He classifies drama into four types: Type A, drama exercises; Type B, dramatic play; Type C, theater; Type D, drama for understanding. And he also emphasizes that Type D is not one standalone type of drama. It can inherit any other type of drama. Drama or theatric experience can emphasize on form and appearance or on meaning and deeper level. In this presentation, I'd like to more emphasize on type A and B and compare them together. Type E drama exercises are more temporary improvisation and they are just short exercises that uh, we can ask students to do to be ready more for other types of drama. And type B, dramatic play, is also improvisation but is an extended type with longer. And theater, as we know, is any dramatic experience when they have an audience. And if you compare drama exercises with dramatic play, drama exercises emphasize on form more, while dramatic play emphasizes on content. And drama exercises have specific goals. For example, we have some games, or we want the students to learn some skills like interviewing skills. But dramatic play doesn't have any specific goal. And drama exercises have clear rules, because we know that we want students what to achieve, so we set up rules for that type of activity. But dramatic play, they have flexible rules. And in drama exercises, there are not high degree of emotional engagement because um, they are just exercises. They are not something that the students have improvised a lot by themselves. We have guided them through it. In dramatic play also, again, there are not a lot of emotional and concentration because there is no audience, and because it's a play that they made it on the spot. Um, and then in drama exercises, there is a high level of concentration and energy. In dramatic play also there is a high level of energy, but in drama exercises there are more concentration because there is a specific goal that they have to achieve. Thanks for listening.